I want to call MCs up, you know, and then we're going to freestyle a hook, you know. So I need I-AMAZE. I want to keep I-AMAZE. Where you at? I need I-AMAZE. Who you going to call?
I'm going to call Goldern Shovel.
Where's that cat? Where's Goldern Shovel? Where's that cat? Where's Goldern Shovel? This guy wants us to do an impromtu song.
You know what? We're going to give you a brand new song right now with these MCs. A brand new song. We're going to construct it on stage with these two dope MCs. Check how we do this.
Just think of the whole quickly. Yes.
What do you think about the hook?
You gotta think about the hook right now, right? Let's go.
I got it.
Okay, beat over these guys. Alright, here's the hook. I think he came up with the hook.
Bear with me, I just came up with it right